Hey, today we're smoking beef back ribs. I got these when the rib primal sections were on sale at Easter time. I butchered the rest of this into ribeye steaks, and then I cut these ribs off that we are going to smoke today. I'm going to put a light coating of mustard as a binder, and I am going to apply the Traeger Prime Rib Rub. You can use the rub of your choice. This will be an experiment. We'll see how it turns out. Removed the membrane to the best of my ability anyways. And then we will put this in the fridge until we're ready to put her on the Traeger. Okay, everybody, Matthew is now going to put this beautiful rack of beef back ribs onto the smoker. He's going to smoke that at like 165 along with the smoke tube in the back there. He likes to use those to add extra smoke flavor to the meat. We're going to cook this at 165 as we get more smoke at that lower temperature. Matthew's learning a lot about smoking and grilling, so if everybody would leave a comment in the comment section and let him know how you think he's doing. We will be spritzing this with some apple juice and apple cider vinegar mixture, and we're going to let this go for 15 minutes at 165. Then we're going to bump it up to like 2 1/4, probably for a couple hours. And then we're going to wrap that baby with some aluminum foil. But first we're going to slather it with some liquid gold beef tallow.
So it's been 15 minutes. So we raised the temperature to 225 degrees. And I am going to now do the first spraying with the apple cider vinegar and apple juice blend. And we will be doing that every 20 to 30 minutes until the cook is complete. All right, so now that the ribs are at 170, we are putting liquid gold, also known as beef tallow, and we are gonna pour some on the ribs, and it's gonna give it an extra bit of flavor. And we are gonna wrap it with a double layer of extra strength tinfoil, but you can also use butcher paper or whatever you choose to use.
How long's it been cooking so far?
3.5 hours.
And what temperature are we going to get it to after
205. So it's been 5 hours, and look at these beautiful ribs. They were cooked to 204, and look how the meat is pulled back. That's exactly what you want. And I am gonna cut into these and see how they taste. They literally cut like really soft butter, and that's a really good sign, especially if you like really tender ribs.
Oh, look at that smoke ring.
Really smoky and lots of flavor.